Oh, bad exes and enemies. I like the way that sounds.
Still don't qualify for that, but
I gotta get your number. He might be in business.
she's not
Come on, man.
What she's doing here is getting out any dust, out dirt off the feet.
Who's the man that is swimming?
There you go.
Little mom got bigger one.
Baby catfish in there waiting.
We gonna get you some business, watch.
Catfish up
Now
there.
you're gonna lift them up. I'm gonna.
They gonna have to bring you back.
Yeah, please don't scream. Don't bring them up abruptly, okay? All of you go ahead.
Don't bring with him.
Your foot. No, you have to leave it right there. And then take that back.
Oh, excuse me.
Look, they all go to the corner like, yo, let's go.
So that's to wipe the toxins off that you just.
No, toxins, that's a whole different thing.
Okay, so we just wipe dirt off.
What they do is scrub your feet with their fins, mouth, and tails, removing dead skin cells.
Okay, dead skin
They
cells.
also help you with your blood circulation. They
Oh,
also help you
good.
relax.
Yeah.
So put your heels in first, just your heels, so you'll know what to expect. Let's see if they come up there. So that should be their stuff.
Look, they're already on the heel.
Just choose one. That's the way I know.
That's a family over there. Look at her heel.
I know they
That's at 19%.
Oh, that thing go between the toes. Look.
That shit feels crazy, right? I'm gonna get a little look out of it. This nigga feel crazy.
Record it for me.
I got it.
I'm looking at the phone. You have to go get it.
I will not use the best feet you've seen out there.
Look, they went.
No, man, your catfish can't do that. He can't do that.
She liked it. I don't know how to do that. I'm telling you.
I'm ticklish. That wouldn't work for me.
You gotta wait for the tuna baby, okay?